Jala yoga beng, gadian jala yoga jabal, jamai jamai juba. Gadian jala yoga nyar, gadian jala yoga beng, gadian jala yoga jabal, jamai jamai juba. Kudu finna go, yin kudu finna go, yin lang du bang ejwen, ayin lang du kalang pao, ayin lang du bang ejwen, ayin lang du kalang pao. Belang jo jal kudu, buwil ni la jal kudu, abiura la jal kudu, kudu kudu kudu, kudu kudu kudu. Zaman ngijen kawel, kudu kudu kudu. Zaman lengan gabau, kudu kudu kudu.
Hi guys, guess what? Kimo is here. He's in Sydney. We're having the concert tonight. I'm actually ready and I'm on my way to Kimo McKem's concert, and it's happening tonight in Sydney. So if you live in Sydney, come to Blacktown, Bowman Hall. And guess what? I'll actually be doing our traditional dance today. So I am actually really excited. So why don't you come and join us, and you know, let's enjoy tonight. I actually really miss parties. No, it's not really a party, it's a concert. So I miss concerts, and Kimo is one of our greatest artists, and he's performing tonight in Sydney live at Blacktown. If you are from Sydney, Australia, you know where Blacktown Bowman Hall is. That is where Kimo McKem is performing, and I am going on my way soon. So if you live in Sydney and you're a little bored tonight and you want to come and see some girls, beautiful Mayadi girls dance, why don't you come and join us? Because I promise you it's going to be a lit concert. I won't be here for long because I'm going to get on my way soon.
Kudu finna go, yin kudu finna go, yin lang du bang ejwen, ayin lang du kalang pao, ayin lang du bang ejwen, ayin lang du kalang pao. Belang jo jal kudu, buwil ni la jal kudu, abiura la jal kudu, kudu kudu kudu, kudu kudu kudu. Zaman ngijen kawel, kudu kudu kudu.
Hi everyone, if you're in Sydney, come down, Blacktown, Bowman Hall, join us. Kimo McKem is here. Oh my goodness, tonight is going to be lit. So if you live in Sydney, why don't you come and join us? So it won't just be a concert. There will be other musicians as well that will be performing, by the way, and I'll be dancing. I'll be like legit doing our Twitch Maori traditional dance, not just Twitch Maori traditional dance. Perhaps maybe we'll just be like, you know, like backup dancers, like the background girls dancing at the back. So tonight is going to be lit. So if you live in Sydney, Blacktown, Bowman Hall, why don't you join us? I am actually running late. I might as well get going. So thank you guys. I will talk to all of you soon. I forgot the password for the phone that I'm using. Give me a second. I think it's the Jules phone. So that I can play the music and then go. Ajol, what's the password? wait. Nyejo Mari Adu. 1 second. Okay, got it. 1 sec. Nearly done. 1 sec. Wait, 13. Ajol. Sorry guys. Okay, hello. Yeah, like, okay, wait 1 second. So hello Ina?
0.
You're giving me the wrong one, mate. So hello Ina, and then what?
074.
Okay, got it. Yay, got the password. So here we go. So if you live in Sydney, why don't you join us tonight? I am actually going on my way soon. I'm so excited to see Kimo Moken for the first time. Like, I always see him on YouTube, and I haven't really got a chance to meet him in real life. So, if you live in Sydney, why don't you join us? Let me play this song. Here I go.
Jamai jamai juba. Gadian jala yo kamyar, gadian jala yo gazeng, gadian jala yo ganjabal, jamai jamai juba.
Alright guys, that's it. I'm just gonna play one song and that's about it. I'm not inviting anyone because you know what? Come and join us. There we go. Jama Juba, one of Kimo's best songs. So it's going down tonight if you live in New South Wales, Sydney, Blacktown, Bowman Hold. It's going down now. So I gotta go, guys. Gotta get on my way. I'm running late. So see you all there. If you're in Sydney and you're coming, I'll see you down at the concert. Alright. Enjoy your night.